Introducing the all-new Taurus G3c. The next generation G3c compact 9mm delivers the ultimate balance of power and performance for any self-defense situation. With key new features and enhanced customization potential for shooters and everyday carry practitioners of all ages and abilities. Front and rear serrations are standard on the G3c slide, providing a more tactical surface area for a positive grip, making slide manipulation and press checks easier, regardless of operating style or hand size. A visual chamber indicator replaces the mechanical indicator found on the Taurus G3c, reducing parts and streamlining the slide profile. To provide longer wear resistance and better corrosion protection from environmental conditions, the G3c slide is treated with a proven Tenifer finish, delivering more robust surface integrity to maximize corrosion resistance and minimize scuffing. In addition, all operational controls benefit from a black Teflon coating, which provides corrosion and rust resistance, as well as a reduced friction coefficient that offers smoother operation. Designed to withstand the rigors of everyday carry, the G3c comes standard with all steel front and rear sights. The rear sight is serrated to reduce glare and quicken sight picture acquisition, while drift adjustability allows the shooter to fine-tune the point of impact. The rear sight dovetail is also cut to dimensions, which accept the most common aftermarket fiber optic or tritium night sights available. Engineered for accuracy-enhancing performance, the upgraded G3c trigger has an exceptionally crisp break to reduce shot disturbance and help tighten groups. A redesigned flat trigger face concentrates finger pressure on the front of the shoe for a straighter pull, while a shorter trigger reset delivers quicker follow-up shots, reduces sight alignment disturbance, and minimizes poor trigger control. An ergonomic grip profile with its expertly contoured palm swell, highly textured grip panels, memory pads for precise, repeatable finger-hand placement, and sculpted extended base plate provides a glove-like fit for most shooters' hands to promote better accuracy and firearm retention. For enhanced performance, scallops are integrated in the G3c magazine extension. These are designed to assist in tactical magazine changes should dust or grit prevent the magazine from dropping freely when depressing the mag release. The all-new Taurus G3c builds on the proven foundation that has made the compact G-Series among the most popular personal defense EDC handguns ever, while advancing function, reliability, and durability to the next level. To learn more, talk to your local dealer or visit taurususa.com today.
Introducing the 9119mm. Based on the time-honored design of the 1911, the 9119mm delivers the comfort and control of America's favorite pistol in a compact design to keep it where it belongs, right by your side. Built to run the most popular defense caliber in the world, the 9119mm keeps true to 1911 ergonomics with a crisp G10 trigger, oversized ambidextrous safety, and textured mainspring housing for intuitive controls on this familiar platform. The 9119mm is built to exacting standards. It is outfitted with a 3-inch precision broached barrel, full-length guide rod, flat wire spring and external extractor for enhanced reliability and control over the 9mm cartridge. Measuring less than 6 inches long and 4 inches tall, the hyper-compact 9119mm is the definitive everyday carry with a low-profile design that eliminates discomfort and any reason you thought you had to leave it at home. Upgraded with premium Ameriglow tritium sights for lightning-fast target acquisition, thin-line G10 grips for secure handling, the 9119mm comes with a standard capacity of 6+1 and an extended magazine for 7+1. The 9119mm from Springfield Armory. Carry for life.
The Ruger Max 9 is a micro pistol with maximum features. just under an inch wide, 6 inches long with a 3-inch barrel, and weighs about 18 ounces. It has an impressive 12+1 capacity, and it will conceal comfortably inside the waistband, in a pocket, or in a purse. Some of the features include this tritium fiber day-night sight to adapt to changing light conditions, and every pistol is optic ready for a micro red dot sight that will co-witness with your drift adjustable iron sights. It has a very comfortably sized grip with a nice medium texture, and when you put that 12-round magazine in there, it gives you just a little bit of extra room for your hand, not to mention the extra capacity. Ruger Max 9 comes with an optional manual safety. It operates just like a 1911, easy on, easy off. It's also available in a Pro model. The Ruger Max 9 is built around a precision CNC machined fire control housing, has a through-hardened steel slide, and a hammer-forged barrel for accuracy. To make the Ruger Max 9 your daily carry, visit your local firearms retailer or check out Ruger.com for more information.
You're getting a pistol that has every single custom modification that you'd want straight from the factory.
You want every possible advantage. So we built them all into the Edge. We had 4 key pillars in building this gun: versatility, speed, control, and accuracy.
What are the things that we can do to be able to get the shooter to be back on target faster?
We really just wanted a gun that we could get up on target faster, get those hits faster.
But a byproduct of shooting fast is you run out of bullets fast.
The mag well on the gun's gonna help you insert that magazine at speed.
I live by fast is fine, accurate is final. Rounds on target, that's what matters.
We introduced the 5-inch hammer-forged target crowned barrel to give you all the precision you need to make the most accurate shots.
Being able to have a crystal clear front sight post, being able to acquire it fast, but then be able to have a crisp, perfect sight picture. That comes down to the right designed sights.
Most of the shooting I've done has been with iron sight, so I've always preferred a long slide. That extra sight radius will help you be accurate.
The flat face trigger, so you can have a consistent flush finger placement on the trigger.
It feels good, it's repeatable.
And it breaks perfectly at a 90 every single time. We redesigned the striker. It's faster and cleaner. I want it to have the right grip. So when I get that good crush grip, it locks into my hand and I have enough friction, enough real estate for me to have a good grip.
It's just the right texture to get you what you need to make accurate, fast hits.
When you look at the lightning cuts on the slide, they really help produce that mass so that you can get back on target faster.
We removed all unnecessary metal on that slide, so you'd have a similarly weighted slide to a 4-inch gun, but you have all the benefits of a 5-inch gun.
The 509 family had proven versatility. We already had the ability to mount pretty much every aftermarket optic out there.
How do I put a red dot with a perfect iron sight? And how do those things meet? Well, they meet on top of this gun.
With the 509 LS Edge, you're getting all the performance and customization of a full custom gun straight from the FN factory.
If you have aspirations of becoming a great shooter, this is the gun that will give you the edge.
In order to make sure that the 509 LS Edge was worthy of the FN proven name, we did all the same testing that we do in all of our military and law enforcement guns in order to have a battle-proven firearm.
I poured 2 years of my life into this gun, working with the best and brightest minds in the firearms industry.
This one right out of the box, you could take it out and win with it.
The FN 509 LS Edge is the ultimate tactical pistol.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Rimfire is painstakingly re-engineered to meet your most rigorous performance demands. The TX22 competition features an upgraded optics-ready slide and 5-inch threaded bull barrel assembly that brings match-grade accuracy and versatility to any shooting discipline. The breech end of the barrel is machined to accept a base mounting plate and 2 small adapter plates. which provide 4 different mounting patterns and accommodate a variety of popular red dot sight brands. The TX22 Competition's single-action only striker-fired trigger system delivers a smooth, crisp break, effectively increasing overall speed and rapid-fire capabilities, giving today's competitive shooters the unique opportunity to shatter records without breaking the bank.